I was wondering if someone has tried buying a house during transitioning out of the military using a VA loan. We were told that we could waive our funding fee with a certain disability rating, and he would qualify once his claim was complete and he is completely transitioned from active duty. However, we just submitted the claim and it won't be finalized in time for closing on the house we want to buy. So I think
there's two parts to this. One part, and what I want everyone to understand is we go off of when you submit your claim, right? Not when your claim is adjudicated. So if you are not exempt from paying the funding fee now, but you have submitted a claim, we're going to go back and look at the application date of the mortgage versus the application, versus your claim date. And we're going to see whether or not the claim date was before that application date. If it was, then you can submit for a refund and get the refund of the funding fee anyway. So it's a wash. So I think that's important. That's one of the most important things for you to understand.
I do about a dozen of those a year. And I'll actually talk to my veterans and say, if you have not yet filed for a service-connected disability claim, no matter how long you've been out and you feel you should, do it before we close on your home, because then I can do the refund. You might get a tax break from your municipality afterwards, subsequent, plus you may have some additional income. May not be towards qualifying, but you'll get it anyways.
But on the first question about whether or not you can obtain a home loan while transitioning, of course you can.
Absolutely, yes.
You can obtain a home loan as an active duty military member. You can get a home loan after you transition and as you're a veteran, and anywhere in between. So it's all about the amount of income you have, what the job, how you're going to generate your income.
That's right.
Those kind of questions will be through the qualification part of the loan. But as far as eligibility, of course.
And always get multiple opinions when you shop for a mortgage. So you may get one answer, and if that doesn't sit well, talk to a couple different mortgage professionals. At the end of the day, contact we said this in previous episodes, contact your regional loan center for VA and ask that question. Those loan specialists are there to help you.
Okay. Great answers, guys. Great answers. Okay. Question 3. This is a doozy.